Welcome to another episode of my training on how you too can become an expert online. Okay, today I want to share with you my video on how IBM's Internet Business Mastery course has netted me over $21,000. Over $21,000, and it just sounds like a joke. I wouldn't believe it. It all began when a professor friend asked me to show him how to do business online, and I really, of course, I objected. I told him that I didn't know anything about doing business online, but he said, "I've been seeing what you have been posting, and I want you to teach me." So he thought he thought I didn't really want to show him. So I told him that really I've never done anything online, but he said he has been seeing what I've been doing and I should. So I said, okay. I asked him if he would like to pay me if I could show him. So long story short, I organized a webinar, and to recall that about 3 months or 4 months prior to that, I did not even know what Zoom was. I didn't even know how to log on to Zoom for a meeting. So I had to call a webmaster to show me how to operate, do Zoom webinars. And he showed me, and I invited a couple of friends, including the professor, to attend the webinar. And about 40 people showed up for the webinar, 45 people showed up for the webinar. And as they said, the rest is history. So the professor registered. In that first class of Internet Business Mastery course, we were about 35. We were 35 in the course. And it ran for 91 days. It ran for 12 weeks. It ran for 12 weeks. And we had two professors in that class, medical doctors, architects, lawyers, and trainers, bankers, accountants, about 2 nurses. And I was amazed. So they all came to learn. And of course, along the line, one of the students said that the course did not really have a structure, because I was doing it on the go. I was doing the course on the go. I was designing the course on the go. One of my friends, a lady, said the course did not have structure. And she had actually paid for herself and paid for her brother to attend the course. So when she commented that way, I started thinking. And really, over time, I've refined the course. We now have what we call the 7-step internet business model, the 7-step internet business model. And as of today, more than 120 people have subscribed for that course, have subscribed and paid and attended the course. Right now, we are in what I call IBMC 7. That is the 7th cohort of that course. So my message again to you is, do not wait until you are an expert. The expertise comes from doing. It's when you start to execute, when you start to implement. When you start at the beginning, you will just be a newbie, a beginner. Don't forget, whenever there is what they call a paradigm shift, everything, knowledge resets to 0. So everybody has to start learning again. I am learning. Even at this video, you can see that I'm learning how to do videos. Okay, of course, I've been operating offline for a very long while. I've been training for a while. But when it comes to YouTube, face-to-face camera, I'm a newbie. I'm learning. So I also want to encourage you to learn. And you never can tell where it will take you. Today, the world is flat. The world is a global village. So one course if I can earn more than $21,000 from just one course, imagine what you can learn and the course doesn't need to be very, very sophisticated. There's something we call the 10% age. You just use the 10% age, and there are so many things that you will learn along the way by joining IBMC. We call it Internet Business Mastery course. So if you want to learn, I want to encourage you, and just jump in. The water is warmer than you think. So I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you very, very much for watching. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button, and to get notifications when I release new episodes. I plan to be releasing episodes every Monday by 12 noon. Every Monday by 12 noon going forward. So if you want to be one of the first to receive notifications when I release new episodes, click the bell icon. And in the video description, there is a link if you want to subscribe to Internet Business Mastery course IBMC. There's a link to a training platform, ibmsa.com. Click that link and you can register for IBMC. Thank you very, very much for giving me the opportunity to share with you this evening, and hope to see you again. Thank you and bye for now.